Hello kids, it's Mr. Agee here, and I'm here to talk with you about your word study work for Thursday, November 12th. You're going to be doing Sort 17, which starts on page 65 in your Words Their Way within Word Pattern workbook. And this sort is focused on practicing the short A with CVC pattern spelling and many different ways to make the long A sound. So we've talked about the consonant, vowel, consonant, silent E that codes the A to say its name. We've also talked about the consonant, vowel, vowel, consonant, otherwise known as a consonant or a vowel team that is AI that makes the A sound. And now we're going to fold a new wrinkle in the open syllable AY spelling to make the A sound. Okay, so you've got words here. You've also got 1, 2, 3 different kinds of A words. And as you go, you'll see we've got these 4 categories. Like in glass, A silent E, like in trade, AI words like in rain, and open syllable A words, AY, like in lay. Okay, so as we go through, you can listen to the words as I say them. You can stop and start the video if you need to. We've got all of the different categories represented here in the list. Blame, shade, smash, smash, clay, grass, gray, drain, stand, grain, play, brave, tray, taste, shape, brain, wade, trash, class, past, raise, stray, stay, gain, nail. Okay, so those are the words you're going to cut and sort and then paste into the 4 categories: short A as in glass, long A silent E as in trade, AI vowel team as in rain, or the AY open syllable spelling for A as in lay. After you finish that, you have a short list of words to write in the sort patterns. So you're going to sort out the short A words as in glass. From the list in the purple box, you're going to do the same for the A silent E words, for the AI vowel team words, and the AY open syllable pattern spelling. Okay, good luck, enjoy your work, and do your best. I'm looking forward to seeing you again.